find a way. Ooh, find a way. Ooh, find a way. I tried to do the line. Non-stop and as inside of me, the whispers in my ears, they are so clear. They're saying out the line, not you let you get away. So that's all the song ends by The Weeknd, Run Away. I honestly love this song super much. It makes me kind of emotional. But if you guys like this song, comment down below and make sure to subscribe to our channel like Gavin Gammons. Please, I will love and support. I would like to get a lot of subscribers one day. Make sure you guys like this song and subscribe to my channel like Gavin Gammons on YouTube. Please, I'm begging you, this is everything I love that you guys will probably help me with YouTube. Because there's that money rolling, we like The Weeknd when they probably be a billionaire, you know. So please, there's comment down below if you want me to make other videos like this. I have a lot of patience for everybody that's watching this video today and all my videos that I made in the past month or so. I am so thankful that I have this right now. So thank you guys so much. See you guys soon. Play me other videos later on before I head out. I'll go home. Well, hopefully you have the greatest day of your life. You know, The Weeknd is coming out to Inglewood on June 26th. If you guys don't know this, June 26th is the Thursday because I want to see The Weeknd on tour on his live performance in Inglewood, California. Please be there if you guys could. His shows are so lit. It's like everything like imagine it can be. Now, one day I will be off stage to take care. This is a head. Alright, before I head out, thank you guys so much. You guys will listen to my talking, how much I love The Weeknd. He's a really nice guy, so you could please listen to his music and appreciate what he does. And thank you guys. Peace out.